In today's video, I'm reviewing the round Bluetooth wireless speaker by Heyday from Target. Now the price of this Bluetooth speaker is $60, and in the box, of course, you get the Bluetooth speaker itself, you get a micro USB charging cable, and you also get a stand for the Bluetooth speaker. And these are the specs of the round Bluetooth speaker. I got this right off the Target website. I'll leave a link down in the description below so that way you can just check it out for yourself. On the back of the Bluetooth speaker, you have a slot to put the stand in. You have an aux port, charge port, and a power light indicator. On top of the Bluetooth speaker, you have a Bluetooth pair button. You also have a power button, a play and pause button. You can also use this button to answer and reject calls, and volume down and volume up. You can also use these two buttons to go ahead and go to the previous track or go to the next track. Now on the bottom of the Bluetooth speaker, you have like this rubber tip, and it's also on the bottom of the stand. And basically, like, these rubber tips help the Bluetooth speaker stay in place. So if you're listening to a song that has a lot of bass, you don't have to worry about this thing flipping over or just, falling on the ground. You also have the ability to answer phone calls with the Bluetooth speaker. Also, I forgot to mention, this thing is not water resistant, so don't go around, keeping it around water and, potentially damaging it. So just keep that in mind. Now with this Bluetooth speaker, you can pair it up to the same exact model and get true stereo sound. So if you're that type of person who likes to go ahead and have a dual setup, you can definitely get that with this speaker. But unfortunately, it has to be with that same speaker. So if you have other Heyday speakers, you can't go ahead and pair it up. It has to be the same exact model. So that concludes the sound test. That was at 50% volume. Obviously, you can't get that same type of sound quality in person versus over a video, but at least you have an idea. Now, comparing this speaker to the soundbar that I reviewed in my last video, this speaker does sound a lot better. It has more bass and it has less distortion than the soundbar. So if you're in the market of either or, both of them are $60, but it just depends on what you really need it for. But the soundbar is more for TVs that don't provide enough volume. And if you want to augment your volume, you just hook that up to the TV and then there you go. But if you're the type of person who just wants to go ahead and listen to music and you don't care about, watching TV or anything like that, then the Bluetooth speaker is definitely a better option. Plus, like I said, if you buy another one, now you have that dual speaker setup and that would sound incredible. So the sound quality is not bad, and for $60 you get a pretty decent sound. Now, would I recommend this speaker for someone to get? Most definitely. And if you're the type of person who isn't too serious about their sound quality, like with the mids, the lows, the highs, like if you're not that type of person and you just want something that's loud and has some good quality, this is definitely a speaker for you, or for someone who just, wants a Bluetooth speaker just to have to listen to. So it's definitely a great gift idea, but you won't be sorry about buying this product. So that's it for this video. I pretty much went over everything about the Bluetooth speaker. If you guys have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to reply to you. But that's pretty much it. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.